To open recovery mode on the Poco C85, first of all you have to just turn off your smartphone. Wait until the screen goes black, wait just 5 seconds, and now we have to use the two buttons. So we have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button. Take a look. At the same time, when you feel vibration, you should release the power key. Now release and only keep holding this volume up button. We should be redirected into the another screen with the recovery mode. There we go. As you can see, here we are. This is the recovery mode on the Poco C85. So we get, for example, wipe date. By the way, we are navigating with these volume buttons. If you want to confirm, you will have to simply click on this power key. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you'll find it useful, and thanks for watching.